Craftsmanship is a personal journey. It's you versus you. This is a sculpture of a phoenix, my very first one that I made 8 years ago. And if you look at the details, well, the details are as good as I could have done 8 years ago. And if you look at a sculpture I'm currently working on today, a little bit better with the details, a lot better, right? The feather that I made yesterday versus 8 years ago feathers. So it is all about sweating the little details, every little detail, and paying attention to them. What I could do 8 years ago versus what I could do today is wildly different. I'm pretty surprised by what I can do today. However, it is because I focused on the small details. And the best way to do that is enjoying yourself. Have patience with yourself while you're learning. Look, you're not going to be perfect with everything you do. However, working towards that by focusing on those details and really just putting the love and the time into what you're creating. Stay true to your expression, your unique expression of self, the art that you're drawn to create, whatever that is, whatever style that you're creating in. Have fun with that, play with that, but work to express your true voice by creating the details and just practicing your craftsmanship, you versus you. Work to improve yourself over yourself every day, but always have fun with it. Happy creating.